But I say, sir, what train you train home about now? What you do, na egusu ayede ebre from now to 10 a.m. Until stay with us. Now, be part of the conversation. For o messages in already. Facebook, ajame pa. Enya about topic ni so na messages no eba. Yebeje bre na fe akenkan. Ni nyina de amount. But the issues me no atuja already. But the be share here the issue of one teacher, one laptop. Asami be toja na 3 teacher unions na me di kan no. Me share na grat, nat na fe CCT. One more full support at the Massa initiative. But the combine, so there's another teacher union. Honestly, me share that one more innovative teachers union. One more edifa. One more edin sama hold on wa two. Just say kwaya abino so. Edis our laptop. I share teacher for kono. One more junior one more NTS. But young Connie say na fe me for breakdown no amount. So share TV no so. Krata a free alliance, the all teachers alliance, a whole buy no, and that TV no so no. But my for breakdown one, nagrad for Edibe 2 ja. Teacher for sign a one more 8 year, and a buying so sign and a what year. My for breakdown no and farm mount. And tonight I say a buying 70% of laptop no nebo. 70% of laptop nebo no. 1,282 Ghana cedis and 3 pesos. 1,282 Ghana cedis and 3 pesos. Also, and a teacher for 30% no metriano. 549 Ghana cedis, 44 pesos. 549 Ghana cedis, 44 pesos. And a one more at the buy. Two shall not got 4 cratom in the buy no. And that TV no eso no. It's not okay total in at the boma. Laptop bako nebo 1,831 Ghana cedis. 47 pesos, 1,831 Ghana cedis, 48 pesos. Now, teacher groups, innovative teachers, that is almost from home, the disruptors, and I say all teachers alliance Ghana. Krata one more edeba request for investigation into the procurement of TMI laptops. Now. One more raise issues. One more petition now. We try to come and charge no. Emu. Say a core questions. One more raise yeah. If I can have that one on the screen. Number 1, what is the name of the IT company or the IT consultant who worked on the procurement of the TMI laptops? That's the first question. Asama edika yomu bisa no. Did the Ministry of Education contract a company to supply the TMI laptops? Or signed the contract directly with the manufacturer of the TMI laptops. As in say no. On which date was the tender invitation published? And where is the copy of the tender invitation if the tender was through competitive tendering? And also number 4, what is the name of the company that won the contract to supply the laptops if the procurement contract was given to a company? I don't know what I'm saying beside a torso and 9. 5. Which year was the company that won the contract incorporated? The names of the directors, secretary, the company's valid business registration certificate, valid tax clearance certificate, and VAT registration certificate. They want to know. Number 6. What is the name of the manufacturer producing the TMI laptops? Number 7, what would I say? Why did the Ministry of Education bypass Dell, Toshiba, Acer, HP, Lenovo, and other established brands with reputation for producing quality laptops of global acclaim for this manufacturer? Number 8, in which country are the TMI laptops being manufactured? Number 9, did a delegation made up of procurement officers from the Ministry of Education and the technical experts visit the manufacturer to conduct due diligence to ascertain the competence of the manufacturer to produce the laptops? Okay. And so you can have the chance to read through yourself. Questions are omubisa with regards to the laptop. But Yenshan Komono, Ase. Awa Mohammed, Atna said that. Share Erica J, Deputy Bono Regional Communication Officer of the NDC. And also Swen Wababe Kan Komono Ehon. Awa Mohammed is a member of the National Communications Team of the NPP. Awa. Akwaba.
Yeah.
The first time on the show, right?
Yes, first time on this show.
Good. Yeah. You're very vibrant on social media. Off and on the catch there, no?
Yes.
Our huge following on social media. Bibi abokwadie.
Nyame aduminia.
Yede nyame ase. Yede nyame ase. Well, you share issues. Won you kasa de ma aban. The issue of the laptop. I shall say free him. And afei aban begi tum proposals no why na Troy. How did it get to the government? I'm afei sa initiative I shall say. Wow.
You mean me dase. Aminchia yahwefo nyina ene etiefo na menkasa me dase for this opportunity. Yes, you know, Chris, okay, President by you know, ade ba ko esi na ni so pa eye enwumasua because when say o man bia betumpon wumansua na eye your friend say edikane because say unya wumasua no etimi ekonanimu a no kire say ampa o man no ebetimi ediye nti first na president starting from 2008 I was starting campaign okay say free secondary school na yato abama no 2016 whereby within few months and we implementing but as part of free secondary school no so okasa nkwala no nyina enko school nko a na wan fa teachers no so anka ho a wan hwe ya na wanya quality education no me ka seta ma eba no na nkrofo bibire ka say na quality no wo he say ye free dia e any quality but they can say teacher no so very very pivotal say teacher no otimi e kira de ni yi a eno so ebeboa ama upushi nipa bibire kura ekogu hokura na obetimi aye enti eboaye ema at least ono so e kan say yempe ekwan ebetimi afa so ama teacher no etimi edi yenti we no ebaye no there are a lot of things president started here for instance continuous professional allowance ya president Akufo-Addo edebaya or the can teachers no ho and also etuan annually 1200 per every teacher or more edge iti proposal ne baye say ampa say pese ye shift na ye sua ICT because osha adusua nyina no say IT no na edi animu kese I remember say wo kra no say ene kra no wo school kra na wo phone ene wo laptop yi na odi esua de pa minim say almost all your books kra de wo laptop so na keka honti eboa wo ma utimi come in handy unfa books bebre nante nko ba bia it proposal ne buy teacher groups no omo ye accredited omo bargaining chip omo collective bargaining agreement in keka ho the 3 GES your friend say Nagrat and CCT
okay
omo na ewo ho eti omo kan say ye bibisa na ebeboa aban hu sampa part of the retooling of the teacher eti yamwa se na be ya sa teacher ni no ono so ebetimi enya your friend say laptop ni bi eti aban se ne ye de ba yen ye betua 70% na teacher for no so etua 30% na de wom ni say 30% na teacher for no etua no enya at a go so we figure no 549 cedis enya at a go enya say bia e ba ya na omatua again enya na katua no mu na edi be free even though a sky de mano me catch say continuous professional your friends say allowance na president Akufo-Addo ba ya o de ba ye no emu ana ye ka say ye tete afiri mu kakran kopim say beti
say na ye te musumi bia say na ye beti
I cannot give you the right figure but I know say 1200 per annum it 1200 per annum no unim say aban ebe obusia na ye gia even in the banks and they uko bank kra na uko gibisia na wo as obi a wo ye adwuma multimedia wo hwe wo salary na wo hu sika e bamu a ye wo cap bi a mo fa ma because ye nim say ye te sa your friends say akatua na ye te sa percentage ni fro akatua mu a emwo it I think say we no e de kitikiti bi a betimi ate free o makatua no kakra even though say wo sika it definitely wo behu but enye ni full salary no so yes, continuous your friends say professional training no allowance na president Akufo-Addo de buy
okay but how do you respond to the issue of conditions of employment some one multimedia here
yes
your family adwuma your mama niam bi e beboa
yes
amama timi aye adwuma no emu ba akone laptop
yes
your ma phone your ma upeka your ma car so if the government is the employer that's a my laptop. Why shouldn't the laptop be free? Now, if you can say, we are 30%, now, but 70%. Okay.
Me, I do Youth Employment Agency.
Okay.
Youth Employment Agency, your family as head of public relations. Your mommy pick up. Me, it's a part of my conditions, right?
Okay.
Me, call me Jackano. enye me car me kwa me ja car no ho na obi abeto aso because me ba na obi ti car no e na okoye na oja no ho
okay
when dia wo dia unya eje laptop na 70% 1200 na ban tua 549 won so wo betua no utua ne keten a ewi a laptop no aye wo dia that is the difference. Matter says omu raise issue say Article 71 office holder. There is no Article 71 office holder at all catch none. Bakukura ni ho. Even young public servants. Obi ani ho at all catch no. And I say akadia odi adwuma. Even the laptop. I use the same laptop HP. But I buy dia. Me buy no. No be yusu. Me buy na de mame. Me buy na adwuma omo aye over the years no. Na ye also me buy na normal omo aye from 2006 as youth employment no. Me buy me beto adwuma adade me beto adwuma mutala MP4 Tamale your friends Central, right? Me beto adwuma oye na me beto adwuma shela ansa na me beye. On the laptop back just 8 HP.
Adwuma mayeni na the laptop
also.
Okay.
Because Obia ya na or hand you over. It is a laptop na ye one out here the data no ebe move akwa the next laptop no so e the amount. But we there ye wo dia. Ena as teacher no ye wo dia no wo na udi ebe wo na wo be use a bibia enka ho. Enti enye se bia ye de akade ama se ma wo chop ye ma wo marker ye ma wo other things a odi eye adwuma. Ye wo normal bebre also as your friends worker no unya efree mo but I say ye ma laptop but e betua 70% e wo say any twi kakra o ohamu nchechemu eduason na wo watua ohamu nchechemu eduasa eno na aban no kan say obey eno so kora no say ska no enye ni nyina na ebete again so wo wakatua 1200 na me dey 800 a yentene your friend the same. Yentine the same because ye hwe oketua no quantum and edit it will be within some few months na watua wie because e bia na ketua no so na watua 549 ye teno 100 cedis cry now within 5 months we wie laptop na ye there and that is why the rationale behind say ye the laptop no beba na abebo enu nti na ma teacher group ni nyina omu nyina aka bom agiatum ama sese kura no wo hwe communication na omo a na ede sa information no eba a omo e ka se we de ya desrede ye de call ye no abanya giatum because ye de desrede bibiri e ko aban ho but when de o ka se obegiatum obetua homo echichemu edioso na eduasa no ye yensu yetua enti anka mejidi se anka we de ya de asempa
because the brand TMI laptop ne brand I mean of all the brands of laptop, Toshiba, HP, Apple, Acer, because that's another concern.
I'm even surprised, Drew. I'm just being your friends, just on the lighter note. Multimedia, Krananka, me expect Sanka, you don't even display HP. Because the number of people that watch Adom TV, Adom TV are the best in terms of your friends' viewership, even now.
I mean,
exactly. Even now, yes. So when you have the HP displayed, it is you're doing your friends advert for HP.
But you may not know the arrangement between multimedia and the HP company.
That's okay. Yeah. Yes, that's okay. That's okay. But the American say sometimes you ever have na mumma insure say insure no. Say almost sponsor program na why
yeah why label
no film na bia na dey see ha e bi cry it did this from
yeah
so na be ya o person onu ma o dey page no because the amount of eyeballs e be hwe say you know enya sam kitwa it definitely so o koya o yes yetimi ye customized meaning a lot of media houses say customizer a boom. Even I'm talking about media houses. And again, a juma phobia no etimi ekon ka se yenye ka we emman. Na ya manipano. Eti we no eye customized. Ade a ye koye. See because osha your friends say laptop. Enye HP no na hia. Me dia no a touch screen. Me nim say we dey touch screen na. the me use as official laptop no. A touch screen no. HP, but a touch screen. Minim Saudi a touch screen na.
There be.
Aha. So laptop no, and yes, your friends say what to HP and no. The shell laptop no, and very important. What you go to HP na and come
But TMI and TV that. So convince me and my viewers and listeners.
GSF technical people. Emma the ministry who say yanko na yanko ye Emma mu the specs ekoy and a yama I customized. It is a ya omako na yama mo your friends saying a customized a ya. The most important thing is the processor is saying the RAM is saying the ROM is saying a bit me akoy juma fast a juma be in a bit me. It's not really about the brand. I remember saying in person I can't say maybe worry because to brand bako me fridge me fan me TV me bibia one brand 8 years down the line bako kra ni ho a very popular brand the car a kettle no kra ni say me no kase kra kettle that say you know popular brand me bo brand need you be shocked
Meaning
and which will say it's not really about the brand, it's about what is in there. Adia is shame and a important. And your brand, you know, there are a lot of brands, and I make a say HP no. Obi a touch screen. But the a laptop you na a womb. Maybe they are used to cry touch screen. And your official. Obi obetumi the see when you cry and also a form. Because it started computer, it started computer Ghana. Na starting Pentium 1, Pentium 2, Pentium 3, Pentium 4. Ni na computer. Now so speed any ejuma any different. So that is very key. It is a omu raising issues now. I think it is good for you to raise all these issues. Omu raising issues bebrea. I also GS ebana omu clarify.
For instance, the IT company and our IT consultant or these it's a very valid question, which the teachers and every Ghanaian...
All these are necessary.
Yes.
Me say raise issues about government procurement. I am very happy. Senebeya at least obetimi achirechirem na Ghana fo nyina sa ampa hwinim. Eye den no mode call Shraj up to now Shraj Nkranka. Because I'm call Shraj.
Yeah.
Since March. And I'm call Shraj. Say the wo kan yi nyina no I'm call Shraj. Since March. Shraj omuye investigation based on in your friends the ode buy omo hwa no hu se o evidence aye concrete o ka say akwa bia oh sorry we your friends Bensa Thompson
Asepa
okoye se okoye o competition Shraj obukoduru ye no motu twene and o ka tell say David we dey say enhyedan ye bia. So that is it. Or the call your friends presidency e dey come council of state say oh David we dey say hwe nimo ene to twene. Iti Shrag Kurani before somebody investigate on something or some are you talking about inferences? Me susu say a yes ninti a yes. So per se in you have to come with concrete evidence and facts. Me and can make sa group no more. Will not even come out like this. We have to go and check. Doing background check on who the man no any normal no. They only need some media people and give them leeway to do that. Omba multimedia ha. Easily. When you bring it out, it is watertight. I won't be any hoshe. But so utinasi now starting say your team 400 your team 549 now. Men penny medibeko court. I welcome that.
Do you have any idea, consultant or procurement?
Honestly, I don't have any idea. But Osha, your friends saying laptop now. Osha specs now mo can say a womb. And Osha a juma a bayana. And until nama teacher for Nina. Ghana.
Okay, Mamenko Nnawotwe Yi or former deputy communications director of the Concerned Teachers Association. Nnawotwe, I'll join you in Zoom. Nnawotwe, what team can? Hello, Nnawotwe. But you on mute. Where you know why? On mute, mami.
What to make I say major also.
Good. Bibi aboko there.
Yamina dom no mumpa.
Okay. My first question. A teacher for no laptop no ehun hia mo pa. No bet.
Oh, my kind of a laptop there. Or said there, if we are seeing ko, a decan baby a COVID the day, a one semi baby through. Na your lapses a what your educational system. Na we are non so free why a new system a buying per se. On rule there. There's a laptop there, won't be here say or ni ebia benyebi. But it is not a one-time event to say, yeah, no, say, be a laptop and when ya, because we must also take cognizance of the fact that yeah, my money, papa, mama, I call 2 years and 5 years or more time or much as the laptop. Ain't no boom, and my who say, and then not something ubit me, I can says idea what wouldn't mean the laptop on banter. So the laptop is a necessity.
Okay.
But the first.
Okay, quite necessary. Your first already what can say it is not a one-time event. How do we go about our laptop in Semsemi? Robert.
Laptop, dear, baby, I agree. You been here say will be a benya laptop. And is a way or chiri ni na say who laptop ni be a fine software I introduce ni. Ya pese obia di bigu ne system so na kwan ya de fa so e kira and I told me no wa we ni bi so no the ministry and as a GS enya bia autumn and so obetimi ato bia ya was subsidized ways ebetimi afa so ana mo unions no kra no ya mamu bi obia nchu so e bia brand or per brand a obechu so no ena sika a obe dey obetia kind of things and I say you move on. And no gradually no said the American obia nsabeka bi at the end no idea ye pese the man and one the beye. So I don't think that this is the approach. The approach there is very wrong.
Okay. Remember back to the approach, but coming from 3 recognized teacher unions, NAGRAT, NAT, and CCT, a former director of communications. Ajuma woma also laptop in hun semno. Ni saying, no bet.
Oh, me who is a Juma phone, a Juma portal, seven previous. A year Juma, yes, sir. You see, always when a teacher union has a position, your position must defend your members. Baby, a free back. A certain be a DBA with the bebano, you should have the membership in your support. Now, Sisi, I know I work with Dina Banyachi, I will threaten, say, Yakofa laptops are back. Na wa won peno wa won jibino opa jaye adwuma no anase akofa laptop aba ya ban we say awode aba ntino upo say wujibino. That one, that is why the teachers are saying no. Now if you look at the laptop aye ka ho ase opani a oti ho nsema a okanyina meti ana mesre because the time ben na incorporate is our business. Who be a project of this large size company who didn't know ever a project company no or buy into existence 1 year grandma. The last activity or the first activity of Facebook, Twitter, any other social handles, media handles, just junior company na Ankasakurano, it means that you see. I have been part of the system. I know what is happening. So BBC Basia, Obianya Nantian, Jomwe Miracle could be a company. Say Baya.
No, but what's K Technology no na? Is that the company you're talking about? K Technology.
Yes. Cause system Munako has a dabe nearby. Who are the directors? Who are the owners? And come by no media betuja. But who your research now? One can say the first activity of this company. And idea or coffee buy the Sebi Nipa no coffee buy ye can of run. I say one of the your friends central regions and free. Now one can say Ushema will be who and a match or say we are anti track record of the company.
No, maybe as a major stakeholder and as an interested party, one can say what take it upon yourself. Are your background checks to be probably may want to share with my viewers and myself. Robert.
Oh, that one I have it. Unfortunately, the information I have is on the system that I am talking to you with. My I feel na Mr. Dia medical Rebecca, unless I go onto the system and I'll read everything out to you. Every activity they have done was recently, just 2 months ago, just 2-3 months ago, and you cannot entrust such a business into your friend is a company or TC. We are coming from the background of RLD. RLD ba ye kahwa semsi ya almost no boyen. At the end, laptops no a big run lasted for 6 months. And no more service centers scattered across the country. Now the machines no kohwa ye repairs. What you say? Systemic approach, I see that somebody was in a hurry. Yeah, cover laptops at the end, you cannot say we have only one service center. We have to have service centers. Parts are available and all other things. Say I knew when you know say say as will be again being here, your friend is saying gadget and aba. It is not. Who share the gadget and no price and no cry or car brand was it? Who cost a walk of customized car? Company needy. Company nangasa any brand or home. And son, I would do with yaka home. Who offer a friend saying a company ya mene woka was a me. Ya kofani. And I say, wakofa laptop idia bay. Say, a fee now no minister. If Bizarre say company na one he also in office. A fair na all back on our country. Look at this, a company you transacted business with over the time.
Okay, no, we are having a conversation. I mean, a quick response from Awal on the issues I was raising. Now, you back to talk about the brand and then the price. Laptop, Awal.
So it's just interesting when you listen to people. Especially because of CCT. So when you incorporate a company yesterday, it doesn't mean send if I want to be at the part. Is that what he mean? It CCT omu free not any nagrat no. A juma we first year na papa on. No, that's what you are saying. In effect, that is what you're saying.
That is your understanding of what Norbert is saying.
By inference, because say or share company no incorporating in share. It company to me the papa bia. Can you imagine this? Again, was say a him for a year board your friends say shareholders and as directors of the company. Are they to manner? We are Ghanaians. Send your Tibian will be better director. Do they qualify? Move through the right Ghana procurement process.
We have procurement laws, which you are aware.
Omo breach procurement law and no was okay. And throw no what say at the end of a laptop you can just minimize your face. Na zoom there, say zoom na ofano. Bebo, and zoom, minimize it, and I'll remove your face from there. Now call your laptop so you'll be able to get the information I will say one. You share with the public. Me catch from even onset say I cherish this. Say ampa obi timi ekoye nhwehwemu. Ye nyina isika na ede ekoto. 70% no. E Ghana fo nyina sika e na ede ma teachers no. O sika ka ho 70% no. E Ghana fo nyina sika se obetua 30%. It is ampa se Ghana fo nyina sika no. Obi akoye nhwehwemu ahu se ade no amfa through the right process. Ade no enya papa. Ade no ye de ba emwayen a fa betudwa na Ghana fo nte na ehu sa ampa ye breachi 1 2 3 4 enti ade no me enje. But when you sit down to make inference say essence company no start yen che sa company timi nya de papa no, that is neither here nor there. Ene obi nim wo expertise say ne se wote say si ye be bibia ye be procurement bia na wo feel say unim nkrofo a wo eye experts in a field o conglomerate o ka mu nyina boom na omokoye adwuma na
about K technology, no, do you know, have you done some checks on the company?
No, I haven't done any check on the company. The most important thing is, did the company do the right thing? Did they breach any procurement law? That is the most important. Not Obayenra. Yenun companies are by 20 years ago.
No, but based on lessons we've learned from RLG, how are we sure of the durability of these laptops? Yeah, got a laptop now for 3 months, 6 months. So now for laptop, so the battery
laptop no afi na bedru obi an use da o se enya papa am I who the mirika coin share what entails who compared to LG then unimi dia woka RLG buy obi any who use no for 6 months RLG buy no it just came RLG 1 gigram RLG 150 your friends say gigabyte of ROM any Wi-Fi nko and a atom laptop we yes say the wom any say a betimi aye adwuma all day wo charge no anopa your friend anajo say bia obeda na wo charge a e betimi aye adwuma all day what so oh ye e betimi aye adwuma all day again some syllabus ni bibia no ye de agum ni your friend say RAM no 4 gig ni ROM no 500 gig the display this one again a bit my adwuma offline online camera will be it enay so who compares our laptop not to RNG laptop then you don't even know what you're talking about because
really?
You have not even held the laptop
really
so adiana ya yusu Ghana ha obi ani ho an RLG laptop edu even 1 year it didn't even get to 1 year ni nyina say because share even the specs in the laptop now and which na laptop will be a na it take you 10 minutes and sana be and this one these are the things omukan hwen obi saka na ya hwe say durable and say durable but the omudi baye share specs in the bibia and no chere say papa yakọ customize a teacher's mate 1 that is TM1 teacher's mate ya customize in teacher for din. That's the name.
TM1.
TM1.
Teachers made
and you say your friends. And no, who said me kasano. And I can say me who HBO hano. Sankebia Adom TV ebumua. It doesn't mean say nya papa. Because obekwa koye na okope IT company be na ma assembly na ma yamo. Eti se company started a dreamer even 1 month ago. Na omukoye fortunately I have been part of your friends a tender. Even at the university level, because I was SRC president, and your friends say university tender board, your friends say member. There are companies, sir, debate to her. Yet me at the mom without them even having prior experience, because the Unyano, the bro. The Onya experience 20 years ago was starting from day 1. I hate it when people start even talking about this.
Okay.
And again, so when you say Obi a director be a company, no. And say this question, who is the director of the company? You see, Obi.
Are they not valid questions, especially in a country we live in like Ghana?
When you ask the question, you still get Kofi Anase Ama. Kofi Anase Ama will be related to someone. Me tell you say me not, but me every central region. What I say, it is a who say Obi your friend say me bano afre Obi say no offer. Then if I edu Kofi Manua.
There have been several cases of conflict of interest.
Yes.
That
is why I want you to say, you share, you know, directors of the company, no. Your friends say,
no, but as I say, I want to say,
minister,
the company,
professor. Catch me say, your professor,
okay.
No, you put to the discussion in a very good context. Okay,
let's come back to Nnawotwe. I'm saying about the brand in one TM1 laptop, no, maybe teachers made one laptop.
Yes.
Nnawotwe, your quick reaction after Yembra price in one so. Nnawotwe.
But you know, well, he's doing a very good politics. I love that. You are talking about RLG eba ye o share gig ne keke o share we keke na enye me bizasa can you tell a book by looking at its cover? And are you telling us as no laptops no yenyan so mun use ye and we cannot envisage the say a bit me alandi a anase. That is not a good thinker. Who dream or chana hua? Won kasa adiana mrama min somu and chance. You have committed money. Adiana baby drug. And we are talking about a company that is no known. And you are saying, say, a company in India, you are incorporating in India. You see, say, Ubema such a company tendering, and your friend is saying, a laptop of teachers of over 350,000. Say, Bibi say, I want to say, RLG, dear boy, a kaya. Na say, no ba. Never na woko kasi o semen because as for the items, he provided the items. That is not the issue. The issue is that as I say, sustainability, adiana bano value for money. Na say problem bi bahwa company no wa capacity. Say obetimi aye replacement. Ana say obetimi change parts. Ana say sikasem bi ba ma company no betimi sikana akomu a ebia ayera no obetimi arefande sikano ana. What are you talking about? We are talking about what? Continuity, durability. And you are saying that, oh, when a company is brought today, that company, you know, onye Ghanaian, onye Masa, we are not talking about your job. We are talking about quality of service. One year quality assurance.
Okay, but Robert, if you can share a bit of light on what you know about KA technologies, you know. I mean, what have you found out?
I don't know if you can let me minimize.
Sure,
and
sure, so that I engage a while, and then you tease out some information. Yeah, because
exactly, because your friend so be kasawa ha. It is definitely a juma wire about the wire nina. I was say at least uye hu available. Me buy na me can say mami paper me boa. Me buy na me start trotro normal kakra because me topic no from Enra.
Yeah.
The most important thing is say he who alleges
must prove, yes.
One I will say, share your word to me. They are not all can on say quality assurance in the laptop, and then I may start here and uncle wash and also tia. Me start here and me can say HP na e wo ho no. We say e wo ho.
No, but did you
specs
say
are very important.
You can know how durable a laptop is just by
with the specs, not the looks.
Not just by looking at the laptop.
Yeah, Debbie.
Yes.
And I make us a specs in here. Laptop specs, you know. These are IT guys, you know. What do your friends have producer no IT guys on there say laptop a DNA laptop no specs. The home phone, any phone, you know speed in com. Your friends say smartphones.
Yeah.
But speed in here different because specs, you know. The home is very important. So a laptop or 4 gig RAM. So normal I can't say the big laptop. I'm telling you, it's a laptop in here do that boy be crash. Normal I can't say the big laptop. GS categorize it. Normal with the big laptop. I'm telling you, so the good laptop here be crash. You my phone be friends Samsung X7. WhatsApp platforms. Your WhatsApp platform more than 200. And that be me one crash. Because data woman also change the phone no. Phone no the face see a crash. Me because Samsung office. How much to be almost say your friend say data also phone no change the phone no. It is say you see the laptop oba. Esan say nim say obi tie krasia bi a wonya light baby a wo no. Or the copy be no otimi charge na ebitimi aye na adwuma full day. Say oteso no. Se baby o charge no ewa akira obetimi aka say okay metimi aye for 3 days obetimi use.
Okay, there's another concern. Issue we are discussing on radio, Adom FM.
Yes.
Teachers need to be on mom say omo laptops did that.
Yes.
They don't need this TM1. Enti womo sa no I mean what is it?
Yes.
I did a laptop never by force.
Me no kasa no. O can bibi o can say Send your buying a person ye chra DSC, especially a IT based
Yes.
I was say unya sa laptop. Esan say your e-books your curriculum no normal I was say o chra nkwala no. Ebi ewum. And a one continuous ubetimi asua de ewum. It is a teacher ni no o laptop ye send me at least o private laptop o laptop ansana ebi a multimedia ebe ma o laptop. Eye say o laptop no. But our GM did say a babuan. San say normal I was a here, I was set or ditcher. Wait to match. Say, Yaban multimedia has a mobile laptop, but they a very important. Or no, Mr. Bonidima, because no bet. Or yes, see, or more ye a negotiation for salary. Teacher Nina or take Micromas and TF and Embaby. But when him say what the attorney ashe omunsa say omunya man. Ampa omu ye ni nyina man. Enti se say no, mo leaders na kwotena se. Aye negotiation. Edi laptop na ba no say omu ye adwuma fon. Minim say etu abatia ntina. O say omu ye adwuma fon. Wa na wodi ade na man say akatua o obetime gina mama o. Bibia welfare obetime gina mama o. Bibia obetime gina mama o. Wono akoka kire aban say me microphone no omuhia laptop because covid ba ye ade kira ye den na keka ho abansi magietum makofa laptop ni biaba ombetua 30% osi wagietum uti bebe usi da bi openi phone no omukoye adwumafo this is his words.
Okay, okay. You are very vibrant on social media. Do you agree that an IT company like K Technology should have a high social media presence? Do you agree to that?
No, you see, that is what people don't even know. There are a lot of people, a lot of celebrities, a lot of people who are even in public life. But in social media, they do not have.
Did you say that is not important?
No, I'm coming.
Okay.
They do not even have higher presence. I can bet my last coin. Say, go and check Youth Employment Agency. What I say, Youth Employment Agency, the number of people I call on a website on a daily basis, a door super. But I have more followers than them. But I'm not popular. I'm not popular than Youth Employment Agency. Youth Employment Agency started Ghana, Hana mini Facebook account. But I have more followers than them.
You speak for
yes,
YE.
Yes, it depends on.
You should be worried as a spokesperson for YE.
Listen.
If you are more vibrant on social media than the organization you speak
for. The reason is that we have our strategies. Strategy.
And that doesn't include social media presence?
When we want to post anything, we post and pay. And it gets to the people we want. Yes. We post and pay, it gets to the people we want.
What I have right now, on Twitter, KA Technologies, and I don't know, on Twitter, KA Technologies have 14 followers on Twitter.
Yes.
And they joined Twitter on July 2021.
Yes. It doesn't matter. We are in a strategy. We are in a company in a strategy. We even social media.
Doesn't this confirm Nnawotwe's
there is a popular hotel in this country. In this country, 5-star hotel. On your advert radio station, Biada. A 5-star hotel. I doubt me who on Facebook me news or a 5-star hotel in this country. I tweet you 10,000 daho. On your advert that also radio station be at that any TV station. I just say be a year programs I can see or what. Now you can say your friends penny for bar. You see a program look at see or ha. Now what you are doing from no worker. What you are doing TV no worker say program say a cost hotel this. But Omunya advert that Obia be any company or any strategy. When you use social media to judge Obi strategy, you're getting it wrong.
Okay. But I mean, just quick response from Nnawotwe. Nafi, we'll continue the conversation a bit and then we move into the second topic. Nnawotwe, when you be the mind concerning K Technologies?
Yeah.
Hello, Nnawotwe. We are losing you.
It's K Technology. And the TM stands for Teachers Mate 1. They have a website, a newly created website. They have an Instagram account, that is KA Technologies, with the first activity on 23rd of July 2021. They have Facebook account with first activity on 2nd June 2021. They equally have Twitter account with first activity on 23rd July 2021. On YouTube, the name is for a French IT company. The logo is the only difference. On their website at the customers page, their only client is GES and MOE. All the social media handles have the fingerprint of one Nnawotwe Yi from 2nd D. The company also seems to have a link with Enma IT Group. Possible location, Spinters or 2nd D. That is what I had. Then, these findings, who the directors and I have been part of the unions. And I mean very well the way almost here. I'm telling you, the unions created this company just to have this deal too. If you are telling me, sir, you are comparing a distribution of a laptop to a teacher, sir, building the human resource of the nation to a hotel operation around you, say, hotel, be a 5-star hotel, but it was just Nnawotwe. You are talking about distribution of items that is going to develop the human resource of the nation. Now, the question will be inside our Nipani need track record. Or China say BBC and you are telling us, say, did the company do the right job? You see, we are not seeing into the future. If we are seeing into the future, we will not be talking this way. Say, LG buyer, government communicators did not allow us to talk. But today, no, or no, or China, you also not be there.
Okay.
So what we are saying is that,
okay,
you see, we could have taken time. Say, you bet me, I use procedural approach. Nanke bet me achieve the same results for value for money. But this kind of knee-jerk approach in trying to provide laptops, maybe so laptops, a teacher and say will provide it to teach. The Labor Act and the Constitution have all guaranteed that the employer must produce or provide tools and gadgets for the employee to work with. Where is this stated? They say, as I say, the government, share tools that we are supposed to work with.
okay.
Nnawotwe,
unim, over Jinaso Kakrama, na me briefly, Abba, meba, we'll get into some other areas regards sa laptop here, na fe yeja kwamo akonti twan, Nnawotwe Bobochi ena owo Zoom no. Awa Mohammed is with me here in the studio. Now, lots of your comments coming through. Asonaba Nanajima will say, good morning, CJ. Please tell me the price of the HP laptop you are using. Afterwards, tell Awal to keep quiet. Greetings to all teachers. Okay. My name is Home Run. I'll choose Suni. Yabasisia. All right. Yamo kwa baby Adom TV so ne ote en kasa 94.7 FM na otwe dwumadi na eguso a ye de bro ye hwe one teacher one laptop eno ho komo na don hwere edi kan no ya twetwe a mene Awa Mohammed of the MPP na fe Nnawotwe Gbagbochi enso so ebe kan komo twetwe no ho ewo Zoom. But we've been joined by Erica J, Deputy Bono Regional Communication Officer of the NDC. We late kakra and it's understandable. We be on na wapa. So for we ni ade nyina no obedru. Eric Akwaba.
Mejo so me nua.
Ibi aboko.
Yam ya.
Wi mboko.
Me manware o wi. Mepa ahwefo achew emse nya deliberate.
Yeah.
Nra production no koso na me okumase. Ti me ka kire o producer se metimi bedu ntem dia. Ti me bo me ho modern bia se
But come on, I shall say that on the issue of one teacher, one laptop, we've raised a lot of issues. I mean, my Brenna fee, Angel was also Eric.
CJ Medasi. I mention a church phone na mention moon crying say baby. Oh, say, Quanya, a dear church for Faso as of mine. I know a yakakra. The Baba pain. They had their own issues with that. You know, I know maybe before the born tour. Amongst our mobile and I'm say, more ye be church for Nanisa. Meanwhile, saw your church and son or enter into politics.
Yeah.
Not tradi. Intimidis and Casaya would can any nano. Or Casa for the interest of a church for an Agnes Anocano.
Yeah.
Or come on, or come on, because my auntie in the portion, yeah, I know him as a friend, very long time, near the same party, and also not on pole position, no quadrant MPP for. Oh, maybe, no boy, and there will be another teacher. We graduate here, PR, fine. Okay, I'm rushing with fear. A church for be brave. Maybe pyjama notes. No child there na Fana Secondary School. No child is a science or agric here. So a lot of even members of parliament, you know, teachers. And some of them kuba himuna no much child there. Yes. But a banner, kwanya faso ni omudia ya na nkoyi. We should be fair. So our laptop and semi ya buy ye kan ho asem. Obi ka se ye the laptop e ma teacher ni a Minka say bone anameboa because omono nso na wose omunya akwanya na omo upgrade omo na omo ne nkwala no de wose omo kire no so koni but dey na mampani abedi achi oraba womia eye lunch no o video no a me share pa say aban no any teacher unions na ye share ya omo make sure say teacher ni ba ko bia benya laptop ba ko na ehun ka eye 1550 me pa ba umi anu asem na meka no enti say oye calculation na aban no be fa 70% of it na teachers no so for 30% of it so 70% no aban no betua be 1000 something 1100 or say some me refi na teachers na tua 462 omo wie na me hu say na grad so this statement by in the said statement na grad the buy no the Nagrate can is a laptop new over 1,800.
1,831
very good.
Ghana cedis, 47%.
Very good. It means that a chair for no bit more than 500 Ghana cedis.
Teachers need to have 549 Ghana cedis, 44 pesos.
Thank you very much.
Now, banks will have 1,282 Ghana cedis.
Thank you very much.
And 3 pesos.
So, after reading their statement, of which I have copy on my phone, who say show copy no. Me who say asena omo kasa no ne mampani be di akiri ni update no no so ko kan no boabra. Because the figures they give me different. So the legitimate question I busa me when I say what type of laptop any day mom. Once I say better laptop and who the capacity ne gege woman no dey check you.
Yeah.
The teacher for be start to say na laptop ya mo kan ho asemi. Oko check na ho den na oko affidavit times so oko pay the same laptop. $69. $69 no me papa eBay check CC $69 no ya around 414 Ghana cedis into the me say ko eBay mo laptop brand na ba wo mi launch ye no teacher for na America yeah TM1 no good into teacher oh let me talk and I customizer nye brand bi na nye company bi na let me talk uti me into after say mo ye nyema we nyina ba say we na teacher for no so kro omo nti omo ho as because say oh ye laptop e de aba. Now, say teacher ne aban na eche atua. Say ya de e for teacher ne personal user. Utie me pa. E wo se onu ne tua. Say aban na de ba. And ye de ko kire mofra na de a. We de nke wo se aban no kra ne tua ni na fully because collective agreement for teaching staff with Ghana Education Service no. I have a copy of that document here. Almost say ade bi e bebo a kire ni ama na kire ade wo classroom ama nkwada nya ntiase no. E wo se aban ne to. So the legitimate question me busa ne say ne se police for say omo need to ne e beto tu ama police for a e wo say e kote omo professional allowance ne e de koto omo tu ana se medical doctor be wo obi pane e wo adwumam Near say the pioneer near drew beba. I was here quoting a professional allowance and a ditria ne drew no kana. Why are you treating teachers this way? Are you getting me? Are there a teacher for Nkwande? You are taking monies from their professional allowance. Say all the koto laptop abroad mono they are kwachere nkwala de. Are there na binding to me and providing the full it say the doctors here pani abane de ko no mo dia wo. Police for here to abane de ko. Because teacher ni no so na kadia no bi no mebo.
But in that case teacher no or kwa humje me so sand laptop.
No meba wo de tie me aban meba and enunti na me di kan ka kire say collective agreement for teaching staff omuni GES Ghana Education Service document no ma prepare omo say ade a teacher ni de be kire ade wo classroom bia e wo say aban ni provide get it is aban na providing or the teacher for because don't forget say our laptop here ye kan ho asemi ene me wo so dodo na ye GES ne ma nko a mebo for ade kire teaching purpose. Inti me call pension next 2 years. Into your call pension now or the laptop no go via or the vacation classes are not the What are they talking about? And professional allowance na hokra na mo se me scan free no. Me I don't get it. Teacher for etikroma. What the upper? Say Nnawotwe wo line so. Teacher licensure exams am kofa by. And kwadai o mo 2018. Ye o mo 220 before exams no. No a certificate on be residual money or exams fee near the adina. Omokotro exams since 2018, only 3 regions in the certificate. Out of 16 regions now you want. Provisional certificate nikuta. The same professional allowance, afe so ya mo san kwete 100 Ghana the film some the year renewal of their license. Meanwhile license no so kro e bi nkuta nkwala no a provisional license. So clearly no kwanya mo fa so treaty a teacher for ne dey ano eden kakra and sa exam si o mo try o mo dem o mo license metimi asende obi resource amount you know the study meba I'm talking of teachers o mo asem ne ye kan ne metimi asende obi resource amount you know what they did the first licensure exams no o try no offense uti training college and e fail no CJ so na enye de eno failure me too ena ne receipt a okotro no ena okotro wo Son Louis e wokumase ena no so failure na onim ne first results na ba ya na yesi oktre na offense no second results na ba you failure na wan tre na offense so na wo so oktre na offense the same pass marks na onya you failure and the same you know senya I have it on my phone eye den obi ko tre exams so St. Louis na results ba so oktre na offense because odi kan tre na offense so failure no say your son reproduce the same failure results and the money be later and I'm pulling it back but the guy was so smart in this screenshotting in the go. So what is really happening in the education sector? Teachers are meba teachers issue near account. I have everything here.
I don't want us to shift.
There be make near me here teacher for. And near me head teacher for pan Americano. I understand. And I'm say and near me here teacher for 17 na make. Teacher ni na come on laptop here in the topic of discussion. You who say a tram and walk around and more poor more faso. Say teacher ni no be pass a promotion exam last February. As at now, yemfa no kwato grade there was a dinner to near Trianica. Laptop no be the other. Teachers are complaining. Omo aye the laptop no come on. Complaining say laptop no crab wedding. Sanko for now so complaining say laptop now dey ba me e dey a kire nkwada na de no. Wo kura na nke wo so de maye. Enye your professional allowance.
Mema kwan but ma yenko.
Oh, ma men ka be say na member my elite.
Na fe ye release no. Na fe.
Nnawotwe wan.
Nnawotwe bobochi wan so.
Hey, Nnawotwe. Yeah. The year you opposition e 2016 election was.
Oh yeah, modern.
Oh boy ye chi sa.
Nnawotwe what think? Hello, Nnawotwe.
Yeah, Meteonka.
Good. You know, wrap it up. Final comment, maybe your final submission, Nafi. Njao. Nnawotwe.
Right, all right. But the Americans as a rush program not too much. Yenya kotre said the Eric Aquaba Metiao. Said the all canon and one no. We have a curriculum without textbooks. And no near and that being a whole curriculum, you need textbooks and and no near that being, as he provided laptops. That the American laptops, one, and ye and it's a chamoka. O being per laptop or the back of the gym. A year you go as a ferry. Sabi ya tem did you say or better than what I and say, the amount I walk out with you man now. I will give you the quiet. It talks to me, there's a laptop on Angasakran and the quality and yet and Sabi said you previous. So Adiana, and you will know Wuchiana, Menanichia, and yeah, I have it in what I want.
Yes.
And just as I buy the HRD, all family free, and they are all a crave you soon. Well, these are the things we are talking about. And you know, you don't tell me, say, men, I don't have a say, from the angle he's coming from, acceptability must be there. Teachers, they should withdraw it from the system.
Okay.
Say, requirement say, as I say in your laptop, and say,
Norbert, then in that case, you may have a word or two by way of advice. For CCT Noah, you were one time director of communication for this association, plus Nat, Nagrat. A photo ben or demo, na yinja, Norbert.
Oh, a photo I made them one is this kind of deals, secondly, they are there for members, they are not there for government. A free 4% issue, a teacher laptop issue, about some other issues, who say all the teacher unions, age in a government position. The teachers are losing trust in them. And they are there for the members, they are not there for government. So I am advising them to stay clear away from governmental issues, not among representing workers or teachers. And no debate me up when just in
network.
Right. You find Norbert and see how no manafi. Nana Norbert Bobochi. Eric, my man, Sam Rao.
Yeah. To say the menu and Norbert Ekano. May touch on other issues. Na menu and intimacy. I say laptop has 7 years. But the issue is about. The issue is about teacher and the welfare. One laptop ship. Yes. So just imagine your sister curriculum. Got 3 years. No textbooks for students. Teacher ni na wakwaye print out mpo sign the chade no. Oko print ya mo sign man twerɛ ni biem so on sign copy handwriting for lesson note. What you say? And now me know ka say capitation grant enko. Wonim say since 2019 meba since 2019 eba be si ne ye nuanom we basic common trends of header. What are we doing? And you think the teachers are okay with that? Say obechira kwada de. Now so na adwenhwe said the children no tiase you want tiase. Is that fair? And the teachers are not happy with all these things, you know. And I want to say CJ.
Me too.
CJ since 2019 basic. Me say since 2019
Institute of Chronic Studies.
Massa what the FAO Institute not too bad. Me say since 2019
Throw exams.
Or the institute no mon corner sir. Me say since 2019 they be seen there and kwada wo basic school transfer. And the teachers are not happy. Because teacher ni bia o kira kwada de na o test no o mark and krata na hu kwada no how they also understand what you're teaching them. Me no ka say see laptop na ye ka ho asem no. Ne specification to say TM1 ne processor no na ye can say na ho de ne to say ye 1.1 o say. Now, take the data, take it.
From where?
Say, no, this is from your own. Yeah, me apprentice. Oh, customer yedi.
Yes, sir. What? Omo this phone na print the abeto ho na omo dey ato laptop so na ma twa to ho. For GS website, Mr. So obetumi ama wo producers for GS website. No come on.
TM1 meboa.
Yes,
okay,
it's
so
TM1.
This is what I have. Features, processor, Intel Gemini Lake R Celeron N4020. Okay. 4 gig RAM. 4 gigabyte RAM.
And I see one no.
Hard drive.
Yeah, NDC4.
Solid state drive.
What is the name of the company?
256 gigabyte.
Good. Laptop.
Display. 1366 by 767 pixels. 14 inches.
So nim laptop mo pa. O use be.
Yeah.
And the company ben provide a laptop. Company ben provide money. Who are them company ben a deba? Maybe so now see me company ben a deba.
KA Technologies.
Go to their site and check about TM1. Go there now. And you are telling me that media maybe can't or no NDC for now print your money. Company no provide their money any GS and why no information. Take this. Mr. Go to the company site.
Go there.
This is what is there.
Debbie, go there. You have to go
there.
Website. Where your picture?
And I'm saying, oh, Mrs. Go there and screenshot.
No, it's the same thing.
Good. And I make a trend.
It's the same information.
I can say 1 gig.
4 gigabytes. No, it's there. 4 gigabytes.
1 gig. Everything I'm me 1 gig. He said 1 gig.
Eric,
and I'm saying, oh boy, 4 gig.
Allow. Now on Kasa. Eric Twaso. Eric. Kasa.
Me that's it. Well, or Kasa, me ya. Not radio. You see at ye, am I free? And then
Eric
no, I have to talk about that. He's my friend. Me trade. Me knew Dimechi direct. Also trade.
I was trained as a teacher.
Oh, a teacher. Oh, a professional teacher.
Yes, I was trained as a teacher.
Yes,
I didn't teach.
Because a human is attractive. Yes, sir. Because you see, and this Nina are up to what the president said. Also teaching. President and Chebia no catch as a teacher near Juma Bobra. Okay. None wonder, Mampeni Ankasa. Or say, teacher open. Onka muni video no. He said it. Urefi, Mampeni Kufuado. Was he teaching? And yet you may be a de Bobra. When you move around, maybe me call me Chranko how they take teachers.
It looks like as a laptop.
Laptop and I Norbert can and your pressing issue in the education sector and your laptop. I was here addressing. It be okay na problem. Okay, as an Apoko grantee interview be what Kesben TV. I have the video. Napoka said teacher for one day Omoko teacher training colleges. Do not SS no man pass no more church or visit no more teacher training. Like, let's respect them. Teacher Nina and they all quoting a professional allowance. Edisa could yes a dubious laptop now more chrono. 1 month to be honest, a professional allowance, more 100 Ghana. And also crown official near the more 1,200.
Okay, Eric.
So when it ban on professional allowance, what too many years? What is wrong?
Question. Oh, fear. Oh, Roby says, send your RLG laptops on Uncle Yino. Sana will to be
men. Hey, RLG. Yeah, they by initiative and near the Beboa sector. At the end of the day, Ghana for whom say challenges. Oh,
challenges may be needed.
Now, anyone can obuse me. No, now, anyone can obuse me. Me was saying. Ghana for raise a lot of issues, of which I understand. And let me tell you something. The entire tour bases are buying. CJ, the entire tour bases are buying. Say you beat your kunyas no ye near maybe a nipper baby. They will change you. So our laptop is a lot of issues our education sector. At the end of the day, no, Ghana for to a better and I'm a boy. And now waba. And now also one teacher, one laptop. It is someone who running in a teacher for now called your music after laptop, the ammo. Now what teacher one teacher, one laptop? Was that a promise? And now me come out first example say police in now recruit na wako training aban. O here to aban neto no the two na kobo ban magana for. Teacher ni no their laptop no dey ko kire nkwada na de. Ama o man na nya so mfa so no. Wo so no 30%. What are you talking about? CJ, are you convinced with it? Look at the challenges in the education sector. Laptop no a remedy to the challenges there now. I didn't the teachers no complaining.
I'm saying K Technologies one website ni. Specs no TM1 specs no
yeah, so the year can say Norbert Kasa you no trade or see teacher for no nye de ehia omo for now pa kra ne laptop. But let me tell them teacher for now hear me see and my leadership no ya mo hwe omo yi menim so omo ye agents of government o na no adam salary increment 4% ne buy no what analysis and teachers no omo leadership ne ye omo se ya ne ya nye 4% ne dia yentimi recruit teachers ni bi nka ho ya nye 4% ne dia allowances bi ni ade why only that sector no na yemi omo sa na no ada ku si igini de mampani sika kakra waje so de aba so osuru ono ode ne de aba. So what we are telling them is teachers deserve the right thing say what's your mom that is it, because na me ne work say CJ teacher ni a otimi krom suma hinku ye work bi wo after me kure fro kabre ho na obi kira de or kwa otwa be 10 kilometers and so wakwa kodu teacher ni di moto na ekọ bisa ho se boso me so a ye ma ne fuel allowance or the to fuel ekọ ana wonte mase because laptop ya ye ton ma teacher fu it say the teacher for na eto chalk de akọkire ade that is the scenario here you have to know ade na ono de ekọkire nkwada na ade na yesi on tua bi na the one the fan ho adwuma is the government not the employer and professional allowance what is the meaning of professional allowance adwuma na oye ne profession no a ho entitlement kakra de ma no aban san fa akire se me makoto laptop nti san fa ma de ma
yeah say bet
the connection my phone
just some quick rebuttals.
Oh, you've done a lot on this.
What kasasa?
Quick rebuttals. Yeah, can teach
1 minute. Yanko.
I'm even shocked and surprised that NDC ni meeting in national television say aka say yen hwe teacher for yi. Yentana vice president ere eko kan say check books we headmistress say oh yeah that's it. Oliver Twist will always ask for more. Then so they hear a sepa school high air chalk because na yenya chalk okra nkyere nkwala de o si yema mu chalk ne ema mu chalk chena this is video common chalk and then this na yenya man your friend say teacher for chalk vice president here again for the first time in the history of this country Ghana from independence up to ene under Mahama Nkwane teacher ye juma 2 years ne man 3 months say ye validation and say ye tuanaka ye buy in 2017 the tia backlog ni for 3 years and you're talking about teacher for welfare say MPP enye again wakabibi I was say me your friend say was say President Akufo-Addo ku I buy anything I was say we refunding the sika debi sika no ono can say this year oko made e kan ka say this year yenye akatua entumu bia enti some committee Professor Ntiamo committee no by
Ghana for susa
implementation of Professor Ntiamo committee no starting from January eti increment starting January eti what you say the increase no this is a statement of fact.
Let me tell you something. Before I proceed with baby opese yakon masa Professor Hwan committee Ntiamo Hwan ete who is the constitution is the president. Oh let me talk. I know what I'm saying. Emrane say mampani na ete meboa and our committee at the end of the day committee ni we are presenting a report and amount and sana even about to the public domain ema hu meboa committee report aba eho de mpo utimi dadwene ya no oh listen to me carefully meba eho
committee elections committee report
why do you still want
before elections
why do you still want to talk
Mohammed
before elections
let me talk
well
thank you Tom
you can't thank me this talk let me finish before you thank me
me say committee na juma
before elections
Awa Mohammed
o kasa menyedi
Ora Mahama ofri bono na ba no
ofri wo kwa hafo meba o de meba sije meba say committee no
Erika J
me ko hwan samako wo pese o kat me o ma me anka ma asem I'll go there ba ma me nka
kasa
me say committee no mampani na tie committee sa time no na onim se covid aba enti o se Ghana for ye mia ya boss me boa onim se teachers ne public sector workers ye se to market mu 4% no ya science so kura asan akasa afi edi animu ne betum 7% o eno ya tum de ato ho because of economic hardship. At the end of the day, mampani power committee na committee ne tena ase no. Committee ni hu yansa de shemu se mampani kura ne na be de akire nke yentu omoyere moka in the heat of COVID. APM no the same committee na increase mampani salary
including former president Mahama salary. Former president
Mahama
salary
na what is Ghana.
Erika
Kusi na no wo Guinea.
O say former president Mahama
thank you to free so but you are not allowing me to go Hana.
No kasado.
Good. Thank you to.
Thank you to. That's it.
Some show Facebook na onu mampani dada Mahama na se mujide mu pa o Bono region. So fi wa okwan.
Ofi Bono region you can say Wednesday and I'll call
okay.
Thursday and Friday or Western. So Monday or Washanti. What I say? Bono by Tuesday no dia odi kan call Bono East and Sana Obama region. For the sa Tony na kubu okay ni na say Ghana for the maya mine so ye ni ba ya mamre mu no obi ya ade na so we ni so dan ase Kroba or started here from the northern part of the country, or they are called the southern part now. Me and I said that. The internet was a Dagana fast. The two are baby 2016. Mampini Mahama, according to Electoral Commission, results not the buy in around 44 point something. Yeah, now you vote number 4 point something million votes. Now no one that you have a 2020 in an increment of over 2.2 million votes at the back.
Okay, Eric, so man, na yentie we mra. Ye ba sisi a ye ba Eric aje beto aso dia man. Ye ba.
Yes, yeah, the 2020 is answer. Elections, no, it will be won or lost at the polling station.
I see.
And a polling station, they better do or die. Because all die be done. They better do or die. The right thing must be done.
2024.
2024 polling station, and you better win the election. No, yeah, in train and Yankase Collation Center and the Supreme Court Debbie Collation Center and a polling station. We will do everything to make sure that the election is free, transparent, and fair. Answer question you. Meka say, oh, dictionary or have be do or die. Na kind me I will be dictionary no. Do or die is common English. Well, school I will share English. Your idiomatic expressions. Bibri, do or die is one of them. So, face exam, na exam no. A critical exam hour. We say exam is a do or die affair. I don't chance who come invigilators near examiners. And I say, Kotokoni has much there, do or die. I don't just say the AK-47 backpack, I bet to be for. I just say, Oberia Tasso, what the Wahondi in a Ebecum. That's all I said. And now. You know, on a page press conference. Say, until they can hold press conferences every day. And some guys say, answer your opposition. Opposition, you need to maybe you do want to say, criticize it, ruling government. And some guys say, criticize them, but mobile holding press conference every day. And yet, for the next 5 years, you know. When we jag about Juma and I'm holding press conferences. Do or die. Me who press conference on do or die. I am a straight. I just say abiding the Juma BIA. They don't have any job doing. In Jom Koso.
Openi nyame aye som no. Obetimi akase wa tun so. But we be see afọwọ say nyame otun so lo ka so the Israel senensa. But the man Israel konya ama no. If you betimi asia ma say nyame na sesa na gene. Aka kire Samuel say, "E wosra na be ma de kogu so so brebi no. Pa wosra kogu David so. Na me hu ni pa foforo. Enu nti no, eniama sesa. E be so so niama sesa. Enti anything can happen. In the hobby, I don't want to go there. Because the baby apam, I attend a covenant. So Yamino will be wapam. You saw the whole body pen and Yamin and wapam. Even what will be a Yamin and wapam? And no me before so although who will be a Yamin and wapam, no need to be so. That me can a cassette boom. Point number 2. That do and die issue no ni one some can. The reason I tell me ni one some can. In the kai, pana me bokos. Ya kwa ko matcha. Match me a profit because a match where they do and die. And don't just see a continue to take on one for. That's it. Maybe let me home. I'm not for ni. It is the way do and die and says will be the second kokumobi and will be quite with you. Maybe your person let's say 2024 about 1 year. When mini pa no baby homework here pa no aba. Enti yami papa na na do Kufado. Almost me aka say 2024 about we do and die. And when just say was so being chicken kan kokumobi. Make am me kan kwani play. Papa bet me aka do ade we you do and die. And when just say kokumu ni pa. Ebia
Okay, we are back on air. You could see Mampenida JM and I say in Chemo they are on the do or die, you know. And I say you also full suben. Pane day I say.
Also full suben pane.
Yeah.
Oh, so Mampenida down for Sophie. Oh, okay. I say whether I need to miss somebody be. So it's here honestly. I say obisa ne say no say mampani mama de ontimi ni mampani bi oni I know say whether ne timi say somebody be what here da Ghana fast. So for uzu bempa me chewa no pe. Chewa.
Yeah, to aso.
Nti ni nyina ne say aba Ghana for to mine so ye ni. From 4 million votes to over 6.2 million votes. O my idea. O come Rashibe Dwefia na ye MPs 109 and they are 137. And in the history of our country, minority caucus no rather and the speaker even see that. So Ghana for was here down masse. Ain't you go so here that say. Now do or die ya abi remo a topic of discussion. MPP for one.
I'm say oka sasa mo no na eto.
Yeah, na me ka ho bi.
Yeah.
Me support kra bro de ono no kan ye no. Na mo mu ni dwuma didi. Mutimi friends and for. Na mo timi de atuka e de akotena ho adan a ye be respond do or die. Na John Boadu General Secretary mabu no nya dwuma anye aban mu kro no amobo mo nya nsentwerefo mhye mu fa. What is really wrong with them? CD the latest report no wakan John Boadu. Omo se Ghana they Ghana mabu no pa unemployment. Na no ada why ye say oye job fair summit o se den no. Ho na ofiri stampede dey see ye nipa moje etu nkwada. Wonye ho press conference do or die press conference na we. Do they think of the nation at all? Let me go there. When you run a friend Akufo-Addo Ghana Mampeni in you can say on 27th February 1978, Omo formed People's Movement for Freedom of Justice. Utipa. Omo first demonstration it was 13th May 1977. President Akufo-Addo muni di enimu. Na demonstration ya title for do or die. Me de omo kwa bakosemu. Nti Mampeni Akufo-Addo can do or die at time no. Demonstration no more no more the machine gun and echo. No more the kuntimba and echo demonstration. What sort of hypocrites are we operating with in this country? Do or die. And on a suffer no kind no. Me ko treasons be na no other. Me ko me say do or die for me. Me ko invigilator na no gina ho me dia babo no. Ade bi wo ho a nyansa kasa wa dwi mu no asabe won ti ase. So omo they have issues with their brains. That is how I put it. Do or die. Be how. And I'm telling you the gospel truth. What the former president said, I was there personally. Or say, ye to abawie. Na nyema bi anko yi amaye. Ye de asem no court. Ye court no court de ne na temu aba. Na ye ne court nya adwene de but court aka no. Mampeni Akufo-Addo na legitimate president. But in a court to my atiase say about what they are 2 years polling station when you are winning aba. What am I say? Because discrepancy is the cause of polling station no. Now you court am on address those issues no. You court am my akwenya saying address it. Mama no declare results or system figures best 6 times no. Court am na akwenya so ntre Ghana form. Into o ka kire NDC for say abana ye bekwa akoto no 2024 no. Mon twen se mo ma adeboni bi anase discrepancies bi akoso polling station area ya coalition center akoye correction. No. And it is do or die. Ana eye boni. Na ma fa we say duare na no mete se ayi Sophie Reverend Opuni Frimpong wakasa for do or die. Me re ho papa. Do or die as a training saying. He knows better than I do. I know or a very solid personality. But Ghana for say na mo ya atwem kra dodo. Because hardship in the economy challenges ekoso a woody ekoso they are not talking. Mahama nkwa started so movie as of started kasa. Civil society organization bi mo started kasa. Enti Mahama na de ono de Ghana for ye no na. Huh? We na Ghana for hia say mo de mahoodi nyina kogu that statement no so.
Okay.
So clearly no President Mahama what he said Mary KJ me support o mahu say amanfo kra ye ho ntade wo bi na person donate bi mama bi this week measure program me dem anu si form no CJ me dem anu si form no do or die enye mogahwe gu asem because ye kokoto aba ye constitutional rule na yetimi kunipa nwotwe mampeni ntimi mie na non kan hwe almost omu nyina so ye nkofo na yakuma omo and you are telling me it's a next election no ye nkotena wo se munku dunsia ne ye nkokọ na court nkasa nkosi aga. Next election, ye can't represent Akufo-Addo. NDC ni gina polling station. Now share that my tutu okuna. Ye nko court. Ye better reply or that is it. No, let me tell you this. No, I am bitter person. I am bitter person. I know you Mampeni na come me na meka. Me say me a bitter person because omo ye kuma omo tetchima. Minimum obi say I know some I know one.
Eric me, but you see as a communicator.
Media, I know your mini position.
I mean, so if you sit on national,
so you want to tell me, sir, I should go? CJ, you try musa, you say you try be careful, you will take care. There be America. You come here and call for
if you sit on national television.
Are you happy of it?
No, nobody's happy about it.
Cool, me say, cool, see, we're getting no. Quickly, now I treat it. Okay.
My point is,
constitutional rule.
if you sit on national television and you make such pronouncements.
Are you happy of it?
All right.
Has he spoken about it?
My member also.
Inti President Akufo-Addo starting to talk if you upper east, or upper west, or northern region, or northeast, or savannah, or Bono east, Ahafo, western north, any western region, the Oti region, or yet Tono. Na dia ba kwa yo tonum me gidi se Ghana fo nyina eni agika sepa ene se ye industrialization agenda no as answer president I can say one district one factory enti wosha almost region bia okoye bia no at least one factory there itimi otimi bia no ema omutimi start adwuma enra kra de okoti region sa cassava processing factory no and also start adwuma eti ohwe factories na be 280 and a war ya start and yes no 106 and a year
106
yes out of the 106 na year be 40% starting from scratch 60% a year or more a year friends e wo ho a ya so masene so ohwe industrialization agenda now it stems from the meeting president in 2015 with AGI, so okay that meeting, no. Share Association of Ghana Industries. Ekachrom say, or the one district, one factory. The video is on YouTube. Into Obi Abiti Makoshebi. Say on one ebe share, but ebe anchored on private sector. It ebe so masene no my expansion. Into my expansion ebe 60%. Factories do do na. Amo muska ama omo aye expansion. Into president Ogusu. Ono de oye agona kwanta to takwa because that time president ekwo ho na oye campaign o can say hey takwa makwan nya papa former president Mahama that time no president o say o ko na wada eno ntina ma won hu sa kwan no sa kwan no 67 kilometers president akokate soda omo eye ho adwuma it I think say your friends say president to no de to a edi awreshemu ebra Ghana for eboa ama bibia etimi akoso na former president Mahama we thank you tono ampa say Erika J aka say omu free 4 million and akodu be 6 million enti omu hu say ehuhia so omu koda Ghana for say na sisi kura de omu speaker of parliament enti eno ka ho and we say omu edase I think say a politician biano wet is salt, especially Obia why hell bent say a kwan bia so obitimi asa abe president biom abrana nkrofo bi say me nim because me kind book no hu bia o ye assemblyman but they say was start assemblyman eko MP eko deputy minister ebe ye minister ebe vice president ebe president they say former president aka 4 years bia constitution na man was chinchina e was say obey president e kwan bia so was obey president into one nam na oye campaign man ho anka nyehwe but you see penino ase oya aye agene ho mena especially in terms of speech and sema emfata penny say e was a penny eka before 2020 elections, Okojina Volta region, Asia NDC supporters, rally ase, I can say, ye can party yet to trust Sema. There is no party in this country that is compared to NDC in terms of unleashing violence, because we're more revolutionary route. Omo de mutu aban gui, ena omo beye ote omo party. Nti ye can party yet to trust Sema, party beyond to NDC. Na yeko 2020 elections no boot for boot. This is someone since 1996 has been contesting elections. Elections in Ghana hanyina since 96 for contesting BRB. Papa, the experience, he is one of the luckiest people, apart from Lawrence, the luckiest person, Mahama. Because the Mahama, I doubt if Ghana Nibia bit me on privilege in Nibia. Say, Beba Krabia after 100 years. Now, still, because of desperation, the Wajan no presidency for the Yaminko and him. Meaning, a box site nowadays, in a box site nowadays, ma, Niana, court, I can't say, one fap Maraquine so, and our demand Niano, and our person was signed at the Bachanedia. And a yin nim the intiama motive I was over. Kababi or Cocan Seminole. Our who 70 says, oh, Virginia NDC for us, and him no catch NDC for so. May Shamon crying. Say elections are a baby. A baby say, and can you share? They say, radio. I cannot radio no. Ewo ho my Facebook live. Enti na wo kasachira Ghana fo nyina.
Na ga opeso ka che Lordina.
Ena ohwe baby a okọ ya okọ kan asem na. As a communicator, meaning say or masters in communication studies or communications expert. Now so he does not think when he is talking as a communicator on dream baby was me say on dream baby was okasa.
He does not think.
Oh, Sammy we. Me say on dream baby was okasa. We and also can we? Okotena radio so. Okotena radio so. I was touching my nipa you know.
Wow.
Then no move here.
You catch you kasa.
Okay.
You catch you kasa.
Aha.
87. Wow.
But I say how is
kasa won gene.
Mampani ma kasa won
akoye bibie ho.
Okay.
Se sabi kra ba ya.
Se because
kasa bi mo.
So to sabi then it means that's a friend to kra.
Se man kan yi amatwesa.
Thank you.
But me can say okotena ho no okatwi. Twi me he o me tete me asante man. Ene ubie phone lines na obusa say ye kasa do or die a den a enkwa edi enkwa betwa so.
Sana what you say?
Yes. Sana Ghana for do na tia se.
Enu
ntina ama professor no. Ntina ama professor no. Me say do ye ana wu.
Wa head way.
Eden
nti wa we na na so
so mo enkwam o
do.
What say? Owo mo enkwam o.
You see?
Se pani etimi tena baby to set chiman. Ah nipa mi no wu.
Okay, let me help the conversation. This is what I get from do or die. Persist. Even if death is the result. That is one. And then two, use to describe a critical situation where one's action may result in victory or defeat.
So, first one. Second one, no. Me control exam, so me can say do or die, no correct. First one, no. So me can say a woman and come no correct. Because first one will say.
I should tell you how critical at the corner
yes.
Yes.
So we'll say me 2020 answer. 2024 yanko coalition obo coalition di yanko Supreme Court.
One can say yanko coalition.
Oh, the voice now boy no. Was he yan train coalition?
Yes.
Yan train coalition. Yan train your friend say Supreme Court.
I say about on polling station.
Yes.
Polling station. Wow.
Ono nim since 96 I contest the election about to be anywhere you win no polling station. There is no single election how you don't win at the polling station. There is no single elections. In your polling station you win it. The polling station here to abana ya kan ya 38,000 polling stations in Ghana. Violence I can say is see some pockets of violence I see in 2020 no. CJ emu die hin and assassin results back okra. Violence, pockets of violence Ablekuma North and South, right? Ablekuma Central, Techiman South. They see you honey die hin in a polling station be results no back okra assassin. Just back as a sign. Back okra no is a sign. The NDC here. And he said, Ombenya educated people to be at the polling station. Not to go and fight.
Okay.
Because, say, Udi, your friend saying, Udi, Ubi, I will say, Ono, Enna, Unim, your friend say, on coach 38,000 police stations, Nina Mao, Ako, Ewo, Coalition Center. Say, me call them, Num tea kakra. Me call yano, na, my minister, min concatcher, we no. Who ye do about set na ho?
Okay. Wow.
Shadiano. went to me anya owo na odi beba former president mama on kan tire Ghana for the person osan beye chichina o so obi wu ansa na obe president
mama announce me phone lines no answer
0302 obi wu ansa na why president
Mohammed, can I do my work?
I didn't know person obe
030221170123 0302211701 211702 ofra na TV so na wo tie me a low ana TV so na wo hwe me a low TV no na fe wa bo udin be a wo free now do agent about two issues, one teacher, one laptop, and a fee thank you all.
CJ minion kasa bi o kan ya o say former president Mahama wonwene
no I know the option
meba o kan wie na me na me start me ba mu na o cry
but we be sentence no cry na okay say
na me ne nyina na wan dis o tie me pa na o kasa mo wura Mahama na sebe na o se wonwene nti se na o kasa ma
PNC na ba
se o na o kasa mo
former president Mahama na o PNC na ba NDC
no problem.
Former president Mahama.
I'll come to CJ. In fact. No. No. One more time. What's the main kasa? Master Tuzo obi aba homa. Would you allow me to talk?
The point is, maybe I will share in common.
Oh, you should be fair to me a bit.
For Anusi.
Me that's it.
For Anusi.
What's baby ora Mahama koka do or die no? Yenhwe baby okota na kan ni baby okoka no. Now
to inflame passions.
Now person
to inflame passions.
Let me talk with all due respect. Now person ko ne Lodina dampa so na wa kan che Lodina say next election na ye be ko na you do or die. Techiman ho a ye kan ho asem baby o kan asem no. E ho na election mu kokum nipa be sin ne mampani kan ho hwe no. San kofo na ye kum amoma no mu tie no. Nti ka person o san ka kire nkofo ne say next election be ba be kum 5 aka ho.
Nti san pani ka.
Nti ye ba be kum amoma be there let them kill you.
San pani ka say omu tie.
Na say be say mo me left debate ni kakra. Ya kuma manfo ma besin ne mampeni no ye city president beneficiary of the said election it is obi ko no she obi nkran say abato na ye kwa akoto no police station why beto no e wa na ye bekinkan na decide de wan wene montena ho enko ye nhwe han say chimato obi ba ye kokot na ye nkokot bi oka we ya waka bone because electoral commission ye referee no oko IPAC na party ni de nhihye ko se we na bebo ama abato na perepere ya ba o se mo kra de mo de ba no IPAC na mra bi anta akiri enti hene yanko kan ha mo nipa kra oko IPAC me ba oko IPAC wo de wasem kwa ye se IPAC mra anta akiri ye pa na ye fa yi si de oka no no
sana mra
na discrepancies ba na ye kokota na judges so atena ho aka se die si ye na no ano no boni bi ansi
2013 judge
na bonsu ahoma no so na bonsu ya akwaba yenti o na bonsu. Hello Nana Bonsu.
Hey CJ ya me asun de enka
so yenti o nana
na ba to mo ti sai
Adom na bonsu yenti o
aduma yi board boot ma me senya mi shaman pa ene Ibrahim detachment also senya mi shaduma no e dia me kan say CJ mesra Ghana mine so we really nyanto so nkoda na former president Mahama wanya kwanya na onyankopon nam omampena dan kwakufu ado so na the next president ko de Martin trade minister 1D 1F eno na some years back China for omoye ne enche China be take world lead eno ntinu yenko twe continue ma ni anyi ni se future bia me ni and this ni awoto se bibisia mo me Ghana foi misramo mumye me sure yemfa kuma pani gidie na eniema pa mampani die gu akwanso no na wo ka laptop me bo test laptop me toma na 2000 over 2 years back say see na senyame ya donate monya bia eton 18 2008 year mo fa na say teacher for o man
okay me da say yanko Lukman akwa ba yenti o
mimi amaje so mechia bedwafo de nyina Erika J ne Awa Mohammed mechia o na nwanwa ese ni amadamfo Erika J wo kase do or die no nkranhye de na do or die to koye nkranhye ade a wo mpanyin gada kan no Eric ade nti na wontimi sekere na won kase former president Mahama wa ye nimo former president Mahama enye sei na usu ne obankie na de o kan e die abroso eno no eya ode so obeka hwe enso obeka ya kama na na bank akufu adan candidate akufu ado o kan order bi die bisa assemble Eric sunyane ne kumase baby a wona bia wona ufa tonton sansan ubom chirechirem enso le o mampanya kwa kan asem we e bom my bompanyi da ka asem we bom my.
Okay. All right, look, Mame, say. If our last caller, Bonnie, I hope I got the name right. Who your last caller into opening? Hello. All right, young friends, you for free for BABU. Wow. 1 minute. Yeah, sorry.
The maker try to say teacher for laptop na e diaba no e be boa teacher for. Na sene na obi e ka so police ni etutuo ma no aban na etutuo ma no ampa teacher for no ye to maka ma o ye to chok ma o ye to no ma bebre e be bo mo no ma kira de but we need dey say ye to ma wa 30% no utia uja teaching na kra na wo dia unja nto ho sene na e bia odi tuo be ena de twato ne say former president Mahama asam na wo kan ye no asama your friends say on mine eni se efiri obi a yetua neka from 96 up to ene on kanchira Ghana for die wo be san be ye biom eno na hia Ghana for enye san training no eno na mbo obi a
see me that say mo online away joy online date near 11th February 2015 or say all die be die motivators MPP supporters
read beyond headlines.
Or die be done na kasa owo bia ye owo no na ehye mu nkran ba do or die there and no nke wase ye candidate mu kire ye yire ne ye mam that is how they think. Let me tell you something. Ye to abawi 2012 almost omonti omo ho ase no almost smash cars e wo circle okay ye to abawi ayente e wan so to say obi moja egu ye
under production team ase AC Ohene Joshua Tigo Mawuli me sound na che hene MCR fo nyina ye do obi bia ase. So, and I mean, I'm fast here. Erika J of the NDC, Awa Mohammed of the NPP, within the chief, Jerry Force. I mean, Chairman Boateng, and a paying check, and come on, me, Kojo Dankwa, and a Banasco, answer, and for message in the Baba, and Yamre Ankin Kai. And me, that's a Kojo Boateng. And me, that's a you will have my free. The price for greatness is responsibility. A crowd.